Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back to my channel, the place where we share all things beauty, lifestyle, and self-love. And today's video is all about beauty hacks that could save your teenage self so much time and effort. If you're a teen or just looking for some game-changing beauty tips, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our beauty secrets. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with face masks. Face masks are known for their hydrating properties, which help make your skin become more healthier and most of all glow. So here are two of my favorite and easy to make DIY face masks for you to try. The first one requires flour, honey, and yogurt. Get a small bowl and add yogurt, 1 teaspoon of flour, and a few drops of honey. Mix it together and apply it on your face for 15 to 30 minutes before washing it off. This not only hydrates your skin but also brightens it and keeps it fresh. The second requires instant coffee, organic honey, warm water, and turmeric. Get a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1 teaspoon of organic honey, few drops of warm water, and a pinch of turmeric. You then want to mix it until it has a paste-like texture, before letting it sit for a few minutes for it to thicken. You then want to apply it all over your face and wash it off with warm water 15 to 30 minutes later. You can use any of these face masks once a week or when you want to hydrate your skin, and it can help to get rid of acne, dark spots, and brighten your skin, which makes it basically a nourishing treat for your face. Secondly is hair care. For those yearning for hair that feels pampered like after a luxurious spa treatment, the overnight hair repair elixir is your secret weapon. Equal parts of coconut oil and aloe vera gel, gently warm and massage into your hair before bedtime to create an intensive treatment. Coconut oil deeply nourishes each strand, and aloe vera gel imparts a silky, luxurious shine. Wake up to hair that's not just repaired but radiates the essence of overnight rejuvenation. Your hair deserves this nightly spa retreat. Next is your brows. If you are dealing with thin or sparse brows, this serum is for you. Mix castor oil and vitamin E oil together and apply it on your eyebrows. Castor oil's follicle-nourishing properties pair with vitamin E for a dynamic duo. Applied consistently each night, you're not only encouraging fuller brows but also ensuring they're healthy and resilient. Budget-friendly acne spot treatment. If you're a teenager, you might be suffering from unexpected breakouts. This treatment is for you. Mix a bit of aloe vera gel with turmeric and dab this mixture onto those unwelcome guests and witness the transformation as blemishes fade away without leaving a dent in your wallet. DIY lip plumber. Why settle for pricey lip plumpers when you can create your own at home? This DIY lip plumper involves a simple yet effective combination of cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and coconut oil or Vaseline. First, apply Vaseline on your lips to reduce the effect of burning. Take an empty and clean lip gloss tube or a small container bowl. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon and cayenne pepper and a bit of Vaseline or coconut oil, and apply it on your lips for 2 minutes before wiping it off. Please do not try this if you have chapped lips or cuts on your lips. Quick fix for frizzy hair. Taming frizzy hair is now a breeze with this quick and accessible solution. Forget expensive anti-frizz products when all you need is a fabric softener sheet. Gently run it through your hair to remove them, leaving your hair smooth, polished, and frizz-free. It's not just a quick fix, it's a revelation in simplifying your hair care routine. Embrace the effortless beauty of frizz-free, gorgeous locks. Next is our smiles. A bright, radiant smile is the epitome of confidence. Here's a DIY teeth whitening paste that not only brightens your smile but also adds a touch of science to your beauty routine. Baking soda, known for its mild abrasive nature, pairs with the acidity of lemon juice to create a natural teeth whitening powerhouse. Apply this paste to your teeth. Brush it in a circular motion before rinsing and spitting it out, and witness the gradual removal of surface stains. It's a cost-effective, science-backed approach to achieving a brighter, whiter smile. Quick Nail Growth Serum. For those dreaming of glamorous, naturally long nails, our Quick Nail Growth Serum is the answer. This elixir, crafted with the goodness of olive oil and a hint of peppermint oil, works wonders on your nails and cuticles. The olive oil nourishes and strengthens, while the peppermint oil stimulates blood flow, promoting healthy nail growth. Treat your nails to a regular massage with this serum, and soon you'll be flaunting glamorous, naturally long nails. Now for a pillow mist. Beauty sleep is important, so unlock the secrets of beauty sleep with a DIY pillow mist, a heavenly blend of lavender essential oil and water. The calming aroma of lavender isn't just a pleasant fragrance, it's a powerful tool to promote relaxation and enhance the quality of your sleep. Spritz this mist onto your pillow before bedtime and let the soothing scent whisk you away into a world of deep, restful sleep. Wake up not only feeling refreshed but also looking radiant, because true beauty begins with a good night's sleep, and this mist is your passport to a rejuvenating journey. Natural Hair Shine Serum. Our hair deserves more than just styling, it deserves a nourishing treat. Enter the world of holistic beauty with a Natural Hair Shine Serum featuring the richness of avocado oil. Avocado oil, packed with vitamins and essential fatty acids, transforms dull strands into a glossy masterpiece. Gently massage a small amount into your hair and witness the instant revival of shine and vibrancy. It's not just about aesthetics, it's a holistic spa day for your hair, ensuring it radiates health and beauty from root to tip. There you have it, lovelies. A rich tapestry of beauty hacks designed to make your journey more enjoyable. Which one are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any beauty secrets of your own, let's create a community of wisdom. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join me on this continuous exploration of beauty. Remember, you're not just beautiful, you're a masterpiece in the making, and each hack is a brushstroke of brilliance in your canvas of beauty.